fuckers ready for Sweezy?
I knew my sister was such a weak.
Squash them.
The G3 payroll must be fucking a million miles long. I mean, Jesus.
Got a disc ready for you.
Fuck yeah! Sweezy time!
I'm ready for whatever's clever.
Well, that's not fair. You're like
Hey!
This is my customer now.
Get next!
Not gonna let me They really came at us. That's how you know we're on the right trail. And they said they were with the G3 now. Let's get moving and find high on life. You think this is funny falling into acid?
Away we go!
Get us out of here! Loving the breeze. Just loving the breeze. Nothing better than a power slide breeze.
Cities are fucked up places, see? They take everything from you and they make you live in the sludge. They even take your sludge, see?
Where did all this shit come from? I will kill whoever you desire.
What's going on? You can't hide from us.
everything.
There's more.
Shit, they just keep coming. Is somebody fucking sniping at us? What's going on?
Oh, fuck, that hurt.
You've been squished!
You can use my trick hole just in case.
Somebody got a problem with us?
All right. All right, that's got to be the High on Life store.
I'm a big hyperbomb. I love buying hyperbombs. I've got 20 of them already.
Hey, don't worry, detectives can always cut lines. The rules do not apply to the law.
This isn't like a consumer loyalty thing. It's more like I'm addicted to drugs.
Thank God they opened this new High on Life store.
High on Life store number 7923, your local Hyperbong superstore. Please, no trampling of other patrons during the midnight launch.
Well, well, well. I smell another mystery. I'm Pseudo, by the way. You know me.
Yeah, we're still tracking down giblets.
Yeah, you already know what I'm gonna say. Try interrogating all the employees here.
Yeah, no shit. That's what the fuck we're gonna do.
It is my pleasure to welcome you to High on Life. Are you being helped already? You know, I can't recall whether or not I've heard that name before, but I'm actually much more interested in telling you all about the fabulous features that come packed in with the brand new Hyperbong 6. I'm so sorry. That is a really fantastic question, but I'm not authorized to answer it. Have you considered buying a drop-proof case for your Hyperbong? Oh, I'm so excited you asked! A hyperbong is a device used to absorb the life energy of another species in order to trigger a psychedelic effect in the operator.
Ooh, boy, they really want to make that commission, huh? Sorry, but I gotta give you another D rank.
Hello, and welcome to High on Life. I'm Barrick. I'm going to be a personal High on Life professional today. That makes sense, right? Does that sound okay? I'm new here. Hey, it's my first day. Can you do me a favor and not mention Dr. Giblets around here? They told us not to talk about him. God, I'd really love to help you because you look very cool. But no, sorry, I have no clue.
Wow, nice kid, but not helpful at all. You get a big fat D ranking.
Hello, and welcome to High on Life. How can High on Life help you today? High on Life employees are not authorized to admit that we have ties to the criminal organization known as the G3, but can I offer you membership in our High on Life care program? We actually prefer not to call it the slums. This is an exciting, new, up-and-coming part of town that we hope will attract a youthful new demographic ready to spend their hard-earned money on quality products. Speaking of which, can I interest you in a Hyperbong 6?
Woo, these are some tough nuts to crack. Don't lose motivation, you're doing great, but you do get a D ranking because that one sucked.
Holy shit, this is a madhouse. Oh, sorry. Hi, thanks for shopping at High on Life. I'm the manager here. Are you finding everything okay? Oh man, this again. Look, man, I just work here. I don't know anything about the store or who built it. I'm kind of a fuck up. I lied on my resume. I got this manager gig. I never even met Dr. Giblets. I don't know what he looks like. I couldn't even point him out in a crowd.
But you know about him.
Yeah, sure I do. He owns this place. He never comes around though. I don't really know where he is. That's right, it's a big day. I didn't think there'd be this many people lining up to buy hyper bongs. Probably a bad sign for our city.
Whoa! Hold your horses, hotshot. Make sure you ask him all the questions you can think of before walking away.
What? I told you, I have no idea where he is. And you're being really aggressive. Leave me alone. It's super fucking busy right now, and you're distracting the hell out of me.
Okay, shit, not so good. Looks like we've hit a dead end. So let's get the fuck out of here and just give up on being detectives. It's all done now.
Nice day for a shopping trip, ain't it?
It sure is. I know I'd go shopping on a day like this.
Except this wannabe bounty hunter doesn't seem to be shopping.
That's right. Seems like they're poking their beak where it don't belong.
Be a shame if something happened to your beak as a result if you catch our drift.
More of this shit? Are you fucking kidding me? More of this? Why is everybody on our case today? Please, just fuck off!
You got a fresh mouth on you, kid. Be a shame if something happened to that mouth as a result.
Pardon my associate here. He's only got one good threat, but I assure you, he can back it up.
That's right. A word to the wise. Stay out of this. Got it?
We've got this covered.
What the hell was that? Holy shit! What the fuck? Was this guy trampled to death?
Yeah. My friend Davy Glutes got trampled in the rush. Pretty sad, right? One moment he was there, next he's gone. Squashed.
Listen, I hate to suggest this, but I think we might need to, borrow that dead guy's mag boots, just to climb out of here.
Yeah, that's fine. You could totally take those mag boots.
Okay, look, I know this is a little fucked, but these boots are gonna be very useful.
Hey, sick moves! You're making good use of those mag boots. You're using those things way better than David Luke.
My glob shot,
Some people need no introduction. Here I am.
Right now. How many MPHs? I don't even want to guess. I feel like I'd get it really wrong and it'd be fucking embarrassing. Okay, I'll try. 200 miles per hour. Fuck, that was an insane guess. I'm sorry.
You're back. Hey, come on through. Come right on through.
Why? Put spaghetti in your nose, people say. Why? Here's Come on, go faster! I'm so used to the speed by now, it's not even that fast to me anymore.
Welcome back. We've got company.
Hello there. Oh, hey, you guys were really funny earlier.
Don't worry, they're cool. We've been observing you.
Hope that don't rustle your jimmies none.
Because newsflash, buckos, we're on your side.
We'd like to formally apologize for how we treated you earlier.
We didn't realize who we were dealing with.
You'll have to forgive us.
And we're sorry we still sound like we're intimidating you.
It's the only way we know how to talk. Our wives hate us.
We represent Magistrate Clug Nugman.
Maybe you've heard of him.
He's certainly heard of you. Here's the skinny Slim, the Torg family, or what's left of it anyway. They got mixed up with a bad crowd, the G3 cartel, or more specifically, Dr. John Giblets, Ph.D.
And Clug wants it squashed pronto.
He says you're the right bounty hunter for the job. Says you're already helping him. Says the G3 is our common enemy.
We've got a lead on Dr. Giblets. He's been warping all over, leaving behind a nice little warp trail for us.
We're thinking you can follow those breadcrumbs all the way to the gingerbread house.
That way Clug don't have to get his cute little hands dirty.
You dig?
This kid's fast.
Yeah, check out Dale Earnhardt Jr. over here.
Let's say somebody dies. Maybe, hypothetically, their name is Dr. Giblets.
Well, should anything like that happen, we had nothing to do with it.
We didn't even mention it. This conversation never happened.
And Clug will be very grateful.
Speaking of which, why don't you follow us? Clug wants to speak in person.
We get to meet a famous guy?
Oh, welcome back. Thank you so much for all your help.
Yeah, they've been aces.
Yeah, real pros.
Hello.
Sorry about those two. They can be a bit intense. Really, I don't know why they talk like that. But look, you've seriously done so much for me. I hate to ask for anything else, but this election is really close. And, well, keeping the G3 out of Blim, it's really gonna help me lock this in. Do you think you could, deal with Dr. Giblets?
Oh, that's a good idea. I think we were already gonna do that. But then we hit a dead end.
A dead end? Oh no, we can't have that. Let me just leave this map data right here on my desk. Not sure what might be on it.
You're being hard to understand. Just tell us where Dr. Giblets is.
Whoa. Even if this map data did take you to Dr. Giblets, we're not 100% sure it would be his actual base. You'll still need to do some detective work.
Fuck yeah.
And then you want us to,
Hey, I can't officially tell you to do that. Not if I want to win this next election, at least. Good luck out there, bounty hunter.
Wow, luck. That's gonna be helpful. Thank you.
Get out of town.
You're doing great work.
Thanks for helping our dad.
We love our dad, Clug.
They're my kids, yeah. Forgot to mention that. Good boys, too.
You got a dad, too?
What's this? What did we just pick up? Oh, right. Sorry. The map data to get to Dr. Giblets. Forgot. I'm on the same page now.
How'd it go?
Honestly, gotta hand it to Clug. He showed us where Giblets is.
That's great. I kind of regret not voting for him. Now get out there and kill Giblets.
did they turn this highway into their home?
Welcome to Highway Village. Our currency here is tires, and we sacrifice our younglings to the Lord Asphaltia, High God of the Way.
This is my rightful place above it all! Where'd you go? My greasy. Uh-oh, did someone order some sweetie?
I would not fuck with you if I were you. I would call the hell fucker.
I'm the only one allowed to snipe.
Come on, use my trick hole!
Jump on them!
Hello?
Help! I'm dying! I'm dying! Oh, thank God. Thank God someone's here. I'm losing consciousness.
We stumbled across another body. It looked like a classic case of... Hey, what happened to you?
Hey, come back! Hey, thanks for coming back.
Are you fine now?
No. Oh, I'm dying. No, I'm actually... not for real this time, though. Oh, my God. Oh, stay. Don't go anywhere. Stay with me. Thank you. Oh, here I go. Oh, my God. Oh.
He died twice! That's so much sadder than just dying once.
Hey, what the fuck? You left me again. I'm not. If you leave me again, I swear to God, I'm gonna kill myself.
Be my guest. I thought you were already dead.
Oh, whoops. Never mind. I'm really dying now. Now this. Oh, for real. But this time is the real one. Oh, good. I can feel it. Oh, fuck. Oh, this really hurts. Goodbye. Oh.
Who cares? Can we go now?
Hey guys, I'm still alive. I'm fine now. I don't think I'm gonna die. But I am so disappointed in you for leaving me in my time of need when you explicitly promised you wouldn't.
All right, man, whatever. We've got stuff to do.
Oh, no, wait. I'm dying for real now. Oh, my God.
You had to do it. You had to put him out of his misery. It was like a really annoying horse with a broken leg. You know? Do you understand? Is there an equivalent to broken leg? You following here?
Oh, nice to see a friend out here. You liking this weather?
Don't mind me, just selling stuff.
If you need anything, I'm back already. When it's time to move on. This feels right. Forget something? I'm just digging the company, you know?
Okay, so is this Dr. Giblets' base? Where the hell is he?
Oh, I'm sure we'll be able to find Dr. Giblets with just a little bit of detective work. Let's look around for clues.
Jesus Christ. Okay, fine.
Oh, that's a lot of dead bodies. What do you think happened in here? Whatever it was, it's not a good situation for everyone. A destroyed drone. Looks like it was deployed for combat. Nothing fishy there. That's what they're used for. That's what drones. Someone was killing G3 mercs. You know what? That makes sense. Everyone hates the G3. I bet people try to kill them all the time. I mean, look at you. That's what you're doing.
You feeling that?
Looks like your typical work desk. Nothing too crazy. Best I can guess is someone interrupted Dr. Giblets while he was doing experiments. I don't know. I'm just throwing stuff at the wall here. Okay, yeah, I think I'm getting a sense of what happened here. Someone beat us to the punch. They attacked Dr. Giblets and all his men. We need more information. Let me hack the door so we can go deeper and look for more clues.
All right then, let's keep moving.
Okay, I think we finally cracked this case. Dr. Giblets really did go insane. He was paranoid that someone was after him, so he killed his own men. While you were wasting time doing Howdy there, cowboys. Oh shit, sorry, wrong bit. I mean, howdy there, detectives. Ooh, this looks like the lab where Dr. Giblets did his experiments. There's gotta be something helpful in here. Let's get to scanning.
We got this, Pseudo! Get the fuck out of here!
Was he doing experiments on his own henchmen? Jesus Christ, that's fucked up, right? Yeah, that's fucked up. I know it's fucked up. I don't know why I asked. I knew it was fucked up. Dr. Giblets must have been losing his mind. Queer, look at all these drone heads. Dr. Giblets was an expert at creating cybernetic organisms, but we already knew that. I don't think this is a very helpful clue. I do think it's neat, though. It's cool to look at fucked up drone heads. Thanks for showing me this. These must be old Hyperbong prototypes, way jankier than the ones they're selling at the High on Life store. Well, we just pointed these out. Now we can move on to the next thing. Alright, here's my new theory. Dr. Giblets was even more twisted than we could ever imagine. He was torturing his own henchmen. He wasn't right in the head. Although I guess that's what Douglas did too, so maybe that's normal for the G3. Maybe he was normal. No way to know unless we go deeper. I'm hacking the next door! Alright, I got no fucking idea what this room is, but I'm sure there's more clues in here, so go find more clues, baby! Are these second place trophies? They're trophies for what? Science? Just science in general? Do they really give out second place trophies for science? Geez, it looks like Dr. Giblets was pissed he didn't get first place in science. Oh boy, did Dr. Giblets write this? He was really paranoid, huh? He really thought people were trying to kill him. And you know what? He was right, because that's exactly what we're here to do. So, okay, he was right. Not crazy. Normal guy.
Oh shit, that's a Gatlian. A regular old Gatlian doesn't look like it's in good health at all. Probably should just let it be, honestly.
Aha! So that's our murder weapon. Dr. Giblets must have used that modified Gatlian to attack his men. It's pretty powerful. Did a lot of damage. It'd be great if we could somehow get that Gatlian for ourselves. You think that's gonna happen? Who knows? Let's find out. Okay, I think we finally cracked this case. Dr. Giblets really did go insane. He was paranoid that someone was after him, so he killed his own men. While you were wasting time doing detective work, I was busy scanning the area for Dr. Giblets and decrypting the password on his security systems. Now you can just follow the waypoint right to him.
Wait, so we didn't have to find any of those clues?
Yep, sorry. I just love detective mode so much I didn't want you to stop using it. Now go kill Dr. Giblets.
I think that's Dr. Giblets. That was very anticlimactic, but I'm not complaining.
Jesus Christ, that was the easiest one yet. All right, let me at him. What the fuck are you waiting for? The guy died. So let me carve him up already.
Dr. Giblets status report. No life sense detected. Entering full security lockdown.
Hello! If you're hearing this pre-recorded message, it means you've successfully managed to murder one of the greatest minds in all of super science. Congratulations, you killed me. But I knew this day would come, and I was prepared for this moment. Now see if you can survive my retribution from beyond the grave!
Another ambush. That's detective life for you. So many ambushes.
Crazy! But look at me now! Ow! Fred, and you're trapped in this science you're ever so jealous of. That's right, Timothy. I know you. Sun counting for what? The inheritance? My lab? Or just a plain old space edifice complex? No matter. Just you have no qualms about killing your own father. I shall gladly spill the blood of my firstborn! Farewell, Timothy Giblets! If you're hearing this, it means you just killed an enemy. jetpack. But it won't be enough!
This ready.
Don't get in your head. Aw, is that all?
If you're hearing this, it means you made it past my first onslaught. Perhaps you aren't my son, Crimothy. Yes, I was wrong. How could I have been so blind? I know who killed me now. It was you, Krubis.
Didn't he know we were coming?
Jake, yes!
I kinda respect how many messages he had to record.
Krubis, always complaining about being the lowest rung on the G3 ladder. You thought you could kill me and take my spot at the top, didn't you? Well, think again, because, well, you did kill me actually, but I'm gonna kill you back! How appropriate, Krubis, that after all those years stuck behind mountains of paperwork, you finally got to get your hands dirty again, just like you wanted. I really applaud you, but you picked the wrong dirt to get dirty with. I'm back with the nerve. Could it actually be about the time that I slept with your wife? I just convinced her to divorce you and marry me instead? And then I made her do an experiment for me and she died in that process? And you swore revenge against me for the rest of the days? Could it be that? I feel like it's probably not, but I just want to make sure. I know you can't tell me because I'm dead, but soon you can tell me.
Sweezy's gonna fuck you up.
I can feel more coming.
Alright, if you're still alive, you can't beat Krubis. Krubis was too weak. That would have killed him. No, you must be someone else. But who is it? Who killed me? Was it you, Douglas? You never told me your last name!
Oh, so it was Douglas.
I'll kill you if you keep talking to me in a mean way.
Douglas, you always woo. Unpredictable. Your relentless party habits always land you in hot water with garmantuous. Perhaps you wish to strike back against our leader by killing his prize scientist, me! That would certainly hurt his feelings. But it was a mistake to think you could just walk out of here alive! Douglas, remember that time when you got naked and experimented with one of the Swindle brothers? It was really hot. I even took photographs. Perhaps that's why you killed me, to get back those photographs. Well, too bad. I had rigged my computer to post them all over the internet the second my heart stopped beating. But don't worry, they're really hot. Everyone will think it's cool.
I want more Barney!
Still alive, are you? I should have known it was you. It could only have been you. How moronic of me to assume otherwise. You're the most obvious suspect. Nebulon.
Wow, the twists keep coming.
Nebulon, you've been here from the start. Garmantuous's favorite right-hand man. You always hated the attention he gave me. You wanted them all for yourself. Could be true. I was scared of you. Can't imagine the evil you're capable of. about you. I really did respect you when I was alive, but then you killed me. So it pains me, but I'll kill you back. Tough ones if you like. Throwing everything I have at you, but can you survive this entire base self-destructing? 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll have to remember to rig that up later in the timer of this video. Note to self, rig up base to self-destruct. Rig up base to self-destruct. Rig up base, okay.
Okay, who we fight? Okay, yep, got it.
Ooh, you know I'm always game.
Don't forget about my triple!
I'm nice and loose.
Look who's here.
Sweezy's gonna fuck you up.
Someone's going to need to get You're right.
That's fine. Who gives a shit?
Recently? They smell nice. I really like your eyes.
Get us out of this poison gas!
Poison gas! Get us out of here!
What the fuck? I'm on your side.
Oh, you need my help, huh?
All right, let's shoot my kids everywhere.
I need to serve you, no.
Why am I planning?
then I've made a grave mistake. I was wrong. Only one person could have survived all of that. Myself! I killed myself!
There we go. The dumbass finally got it.
It makes sense, you know. I always hated myself. I knew I'd get the guts to do it one of these days. Good for me.
Yeesh, way to kill the mood.
So, okay, I killed myself. Whoops. My apologies to whoever's hearing this. I hope you'll forgive me for making you go through all of that. You can leave now. Have a good day. Giblets out. R.I.P. Giblets.
Well, that was fun. We can get back out through the trap door. Let's scram.
As I continue to study these humans, I find them to be more complex than I ever could have expected. Initially, I saw great potential in both the Fergals and the Gatlians, but now I see how foolish I was. Those were nothing but dead ends. Humans, however, humans are going to change everything.
God damn, what the fuck was the G3 doing with this guy? Oh, yeah, you know what? We should probably grab that Gatling. Is he even alive? You know what? Let's take him back to Gene. Gene knows. He can get him all fixed up.
I just wanted to say, you know, today really meant a lot to me, and, God, this is so fucking hard. Your free trial of detective mode is up, so see you later, bye.
Oh, thank God. Okay, Bounty Hunter, you go through the menus. You find that detective mode. You shut it the fuck off. Never again. Okay, I'm serious. Delete it. Delete it.
Wow, look at that. You found Dr. Giblets all by yourself. See? It's not so easy figuring out where these bozos are. How'd it go? Come on over, let's powwow.
You seen Merv?
No. Why don't you come in? It's cold.
He took off as soon as we got home, but when I checked his cabin, he disappeared. I've never seen him this upset. I'm afraid he's gonna do something silly.
That's funny. Scott hasn't come back yet either. I keep thinking I'm gonna wake up soon and find myself back in my bed at school. Just wait.
Oh, look at that. You found Dr. Giblets all by yourself. See? It's not so easy figuring out where these bozos are. How'd it go? Come on over, let's powwow.
You seen Merv?
Okay, so we did find Dr. Giblets. He is dead, but we also found another Gatlian.
Oh shit, that's great.
I don't know about that. I mean, he's not really functional. I don't think he's dead, but.
Oh, God damn. Yeah, he's busted up real bad. What were they doing to him?
Do you think he's salvageable?
Buddy, I'm not gonna promise you I can save him. That would be irresponsible of me. It would be careless to toy with your emotions like that. But yes, I can definitely fix him.
Okay, thanks, Gene. But you know, if he can't be saved, it wouldn't be,
What was that?
Nothing. I was being shitty. You didn't hear me. I don't want you to hear me being shitty.
Yeah, okay. Weird thing to say, but whatever. Sorry to change the subject, but, turn in your bounty real quick. I've got some good news and some bad news. Okay, come on over. Let me get...
All right, what do you got for us, Gene?
All right. Which do you want first? The good news or the bad news? All right. Here's the bad news. Lizzie's been gone for a while. It's probably nothing, and I'm obviously not actually worried or anything because I hate her. But, you know, you might want to look into it, since she's your sister and all. Maybe check with Tweeg. He works at that Space Applebee's uptown. All right, well, I lied, kid. I don't have any good news. I was hoping you'd just ask for the bad news, and then you'd be so upset you'd forget to ask about the good news. I was trying to pull a fast one on you, and I failed. So, it's pretty embarrassing. Yeah, that's everything. I'll work on getting us some new bounty leads if you want to go look for Lizzie. And, I'm gonna see if I can fix up that busted Gatlian you saved.
Jesus, that is a lot to take in, Gene. Hey, Bounty Hunter, you mind if we leave the other Gatlians here with Gene and maybe we can go poke around for Lizzie and use that time to have a little chat with each other? You know, just you and me, our favorite people, our favorite, you and I, our best pals. Okay, listen, just it's easy. Put the other Gatlians down next to Gene, and let's get out of here, look for Lizzie, and have a chat.
Oh, sure, we can use a little break. It's nice to stretch out a bit, you know? Take a little nappy poop.
Oh, yeah. Change the channel, Gene, to porn.
Have a good time, you two. We'll hold down the fort.
All right, Bounty Hunter, let's head to Applebee's and let's find your sister. Look at us, just you and me again, you know, just like old times, like the dream team, you know? So Applebee's, it's in the slums, which you probably knew that, so your suit can point us in the right direction. So you take the lead, Bounty Hunter. You know, we'll talk, we're gonna chat. It's gonna be good. It's all good. Don't worry about this. Don't get shooken up about this. There's no reason to be, don't feel weird or anything. I'm not you know what I mean?